Hello and welcome to DevSpot. Today I'll be showing you how to set up Vue and get your first project up and running. Vue is a great framework to learn, and I believe it is friendly for beginners. As long as you have a general understanding of JavaScript, HTML, and CSS, you can easily put together some great projects. Even if you're not too comfortable with those technologies, just get started anyways. The only way to learn these tools is by creating projects on your own and honing your skills. Alright, let's get started. First, install Node.js to get access to the Node Package Manager. This allows access to all the necessary packages. I'll provide the link below, but you basically follow the documentation. Select the correct operating system and follow the steps that are provided. Then check out the Vue documentation to install View Cli. This allows us to create Vue projects and manage many other features. CLI stands for Command Line Interface. Now that you have npm set up, you can now install the View CLI. Open your command prompt and type in the following commands. First, start with npm install tacg View CLI. This installs the View CLI globally. Once this step is complete, you can simply type View create and then your project name. And your Vue project will be initialized and you can access it in any text editor you like. I'll be using VS Code. There are also many great extensions you can use in VS Code, so let me know if you'd be interested in learning more about those. Now you can see that I've opened up the project in VS Code. This shows all the setup that was done by Vue. Now simply run the command npm run serve. This allows you to see your project hosted locally and also allows you to easily see edits as you go. So we'll let the project build here. So now go to the URL provided and this will show the current state of your Vue project. All of this can be edited. So let's go back to the project and you can see where the template is for the HTML, and there's a script tag for the JavaScript, and there's a style tag where you can update the CSS. So let's go ahead and edit this project. Within the template tag, I will just basically add a div element that has some text in it. Let's go with here is our new div. As you save the project will compile and let you know if there are any errors. Looks like we're good to go. And then as you can see, our new div is at the top right there. You can also add JavaScript within the script tags. This allows for adding methods, data, or anything else you could need. For an example, this is how you're supposed to add methods within the script tag. And there's a sample function. Now let's update the CSS. I'll go ahead and give this div a class name. Then down in the style tag, I'll add a background color of, let's say, blue. And we'll go ahead and save the project, and once again it's compiled successfully. So we look back at the project and you can see that we have an updated background color. So as you can see, Vue is pretty easy to set up and get started. I think the ability to have the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript all in one component can really be nice for beginners. I hope you enjoyed the video, and let me know what topics you'd like me to cover in my next videos.